Repairing a door is like putting a band-aid where you need stitches. It might cover the wound temporarily, but it's not going to heal and function correctly for long. In this video, we're going to talk about how you know if it's time to replace your door. Let's go. Hi, I'm Steve McNary, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. When your door doesn't operate properly, there are minimal repairs that can be done to get it functioning as it should. A door can be constantly adjusted at the hinges if it does not open or close properly. However, it can only be adjusted so much. So in this video, we will outline the top 3 common signs that it's time to replace your door. And they are if it doesn't function properly, rotting, and environmental impact. So let's jump on over to number 1, if the door doesn't function properly. The most obvious sign that your door needs replacing is if it doesn't function properly. If outdoor light is visible around the edges of the door frame, it's time for a replacement. During the lifetime of your home, the foundation continuously shifts and moves with the earth. This is why every replacement door must be custom sized and fit to your home, because the shape of your home is ever changing. If you've adjusted your door many times and it still does not open and close smoothly, or light seeps through the edges, you probably need a full replacement. A full door replacement should consist of replacing the entire system, not just the slab or piece that swings open and closed. The jambs, threshold, hardware, interior and exterior trim, and slab should all be replaced for a quality door replacement. Staining and painting should also be included from the same contractor. Another common cause of a door not functioning properly is poor installation. If the door is not installed properly, it's going to fail you sooner than expected. Even if you do not have a wooden door, rotting around the jamb, which is the inside border of the door, is common. Rot occurs when excess water and moisture build up in and around the wood. When the water goes into the wood, it allows a fungus to grow and deteriorate the wood. This is common around the jambs of a door because they are typically made of wood and are exposed to the outside elements. If the weather sealing around the door is damaged, this will allow water to get in. Weather sealing can be replaced, but when rot gets in the mix, a full replacement is generally necessary. Wood doors are susceptible to rot all around, but most commonly at the bottom near the trim and around the jambs. Some products repair patches of rot to a degree, but rot tends to be a problem below the surface. If you notice rot in the door jambs, this means your door is not sealed as tightly as it should be, and a replacement is in your near future. Like anything on the exterior of your home, a door is constantly exposed to the sun, rain, hail, wind, and any other gift from Mother Nature she wants to throw at it. While some extreme weather can cause severe damage to your door, you will commonly notice wear and tear that comes over time. The most common visible signs of weather wear are fading and chipping paint or stain caused by the sun and water. Repairing or restaining your door seems like the simple option to avoid a full replacement, which is true. However, if chipped paint or stain goes unaddressed, this is how more serious issues that lead to a full replacement come about. Like anything, you can check your door for any damages and care for it to ensure it will last. But it all comes down to 2 things: the quality of the door and the quality of the installation. Oiling the hinges, regularly cleaning the tracks on a sliding door, and making sure all parts are working is the best thing you can do to care for your door. A high-quality door that was installed properly can last your entire lifetime in your home, but that same door can fail you within a few years if it's not installed properly. If you want more information on the door installation process, make sure to check out the article in the description below on what makes a high-quality door replacement. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.